Okay, ji, assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, if you are when you will get this interface, you need to click on calendar and then you will get this interface. And after that, if you want to share only link with the students, those who are not having their IDs, you need to do what? Just click on meet now. You need to click where? Click on meet now. Okay, now look here, when you click on meet now, then you will get this interface. Here you will get a link to share without creating teams or classes. Just click on get a share link, just click on it. Loading, wait, patience. No need to worry, teachers, it's part of learning. Okay, after that you need to do what? Copy this link. Copy ho gaya. Now I'm going to start meeting here at my end. Just click on it. Look here, you will get this interface. Now I'm going to do what? Now I'm going to share that copied link in cognitive mode. For example, मैं student के साथ share कर रहा हूँ. I'm going to share this with my student. This is in cognitive mode. I'm going to paste this link over here. You will paste this link in the WhatsApp group or wherever you like, so that student can easily access this link. Click on that. Now this option will appear. Then student will click where? Continue on this browser or open a team. I'm going to continue on this browser. Select this one. This is for students. Okay, that's how you can guide the student. This tutorial for both student and teachers. So beta, enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest feedback from my channel. Happy learning. Now student, yes, this is a student, and so I'm going to click now allow. Select allow. So now camera automatically turn on, and here I am, I'm sitting managing classes here. Okay, enter. Here you need to enter what? Enter your name, class and section. For example, who's going to take class? Qasim. Yes, Qasim from class, let's say class 80. I'm going to turn off the camera. Now you need to click where? Click on join. Click on join. When you click on join, you will get, when the meeting start, we will let people know that you are in the meeting. Now I'm going in where? In now teachers view. Teachers, this is now teachers account. Just click here, and now here, now I'm going, teachers will start a class. Just click here. Now being a teacher, I'm going to start this class. Join now, and you will see then one student is waiting in the lobby. So look here, invite people to join the link. Just copy this, or you can do what? Add the participants. So if they have they don't have accounts, so don't add the participants. Go with the flow. Now someone is waiting in my lobby. Okay, Qasim class 8 as a guest. Admitting now. Okay ji, now here we have a chat. Click on chat and people. Hello Qasim beta, how are you? Look here, I have one student here. And then you can download his attendance as well. On top right corner here on 3 dots, participants, download the attendance. Now mute everyone. I'm going to mute my mic. Okay ji, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.